everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. I'm Rebecca. Today we have a new video for you guys to see what's new, what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. I went to 3 different stores in the DFW area, and this is for the 5th of July, 2024. Let's go shopping. Today over in Apparel and Accessories, I found some new tank tops. They have them in these pastel colors. We have orange. They also have it in this really pretty purple. And then we've got it in a green. The back is a little bit different on this one. These are by American Apparel. And then we've got the Juncture brand bags with the adjustable strap in the back. It just has one large opening. There's no additional pockets, but it does have the adjustable strap in the back. And the faux leather bags. These are great for crafting. I like to use the handles. We also have some canvas bags back in stock. They had these out around Mother's Day, and those have been restocked as well. Over in the arts and crafts today, we have some new floral for fall. These are some floral picks. These are similar to some of the ones they had out last year. Very farmhouse feel. Lots of sage green, light tan, and cream color flowers with a little bit of like red kind of mixed in throughout. They even have some of these olive branches, which I really like. Here's another one that they have out. So quite a few. And then they also have more of those feathers. Then we've got the wooden shapes, 100 pieces. We've got the hearts. And those have the hole in the center, so you can use them like a bead. We've also got the butterflies. And then the leaves. And again, you get 100 in each pack. We have the wood shapes with the laser cut openings in the top. These cubes are very popular. They sell quite quickly. Quite a few different designs that you can choose from. And they are unfinished woods. You can, finish them in whatever color you like to use them in your crafting. We've also got some fabric in that is like a faux fur. It says it's like a plush fabric, and it is a 9 by 12 inch rectangle. And we've got like green. There's a really pretty gray. They also have brown and black. And then we've got a soft pink. And then the color white. That'd be great for like Christmas crafting. We have some new stickers. You get 10, 15, or 12 pieces of these floral stickers. Very realistic, and they are layered. They're like a pop-up style sticker with, a lot of detail. There's even some raised pieces on them to give them a 3D effect. Then we've got a bunch of new packs of the chalkboard stickers. So you've got your circles in different sizes, a bunch of different labels, even some conversation bubbles. And so there's a couple packs of those out this week. And then I really like this new twist yarn that they have out by Crafters Square. You get 109 yards. It's 1.79 ounces. It is polyester, 100%. And I try to take a picture of the tag as best I could so you guys could see everything or all the information that you need. But there's quite a few different colors. I've never seen the twisted yarn at the Dollar Tree before, which is really nice. So I like that they are carrying that now. They have like blue, lavender, and navy blue. There was green, gray, and the light cream color. For the baby and toddler items this week, we have some t-shirts for them as well. These are like the toddler sizes, 2T to 4T. And then we've got more of the snack boxes with the Sesame Street characters on the front. There's the Cookie Monster, Abby, Elmo, and then the whole gang. And these have 2 compartments in the container with that snap-on lid. Over in the health and beauty, we'll first start with the new cosmetic items this week. They've got some restocks of the nail tips. These are the full-size nails, and the clear, the Helios Gel Effect nails. Those are restocked as well, and some of the faux nails by Pretty Woman that come with the nail glue. Then we've got these Revlon Thick Stick Foundation sticks. It says Flesh on the front. Firm Flesh Thick Stick Foundation. They have that in number 34, the color Pecan. There's also 17, which is called Muffin. And then 09, which was the Honey. And the last one I found was 03 Meringue. merengue. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Over in the hair care, we have some new barrettes. I just love these with the pearl finish. I think these are so pretty. They got the pink and the ivory. And then these two barrettes with the gold trim. It has a bow on the top one, and the bottom one has butterflies. And we have these two hair clips, a little bit different. Bobby pins with the pearls and some with the gold stars. There's also a barrette on that one. The extra large snap clips and the black with the brown, or the brown with the pink and teal. Also some new scrunchies. These have like a sheer liner over top of the scrunchie that's inside, so they're layered. They have the 40-piece Gimme Thick Hair bobby pins. It says holds more, retains shape longer, and the no pulling extra grip dent-free Gimme elastics. For the pharmacy and personal care items, some new body scrubs by Bolero. We have the eucalyptus and fresh mint, and Keep Calm, which was the rose water and honey. We also have the tropical, the pineapple coconut, Wake Me Up, pink grapefruit and hibiscus. We have the Advanced Healing Blister Gel Bandages and 4-count pack, and the Powerhouse Jewelry Cleaner Spray. There's these two bottles with the pump lids in green and blue, and some new hand soaps. We have the Peony and Peppercorn and the 16 fluid ounce bottles. This light peach color, which is so pretty. It's called Watermelon and Basil. It smells really good too. And then I also found in the lime green, this one is called Cactus Flower. Again, those are the 16-ounce bottles. You get a lot for $1.25. Over in Fun Finds this week, I found more of the eye patches with the hydrogel. Inside, it says you get 3 pair. We also have some fun notebooks up by the register. There's unicorn vibes, the video game controllers, some panda bears. It says wild. And then the sunshine. It says good vibes. And they're like a layered notebook. There's 2 different covers. We have some fun keychains with the gold clasp. We have the fuzzy hearts in the pink and purple. There's also the solid pink. We have the solid blue, like a baby blue. And then there's the heart with the stripes. And it's more of like a pastel rainbow. It's yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. There's also those car hooks restocked. Those have a design on the front. We've got a heart. And there's the sides. You hang those on the headrest of the seat, and then you can hang like purses and bags from them. We've also got the stars and the lemon, some rainbows, of course. And you get 2 for each pack, and they've restocked the ceramic bumblebee gnomes and the garden stepping stones. For the home decor this week, I was so excited when I found these again. I love these for the bathroom. I put my soap containers on them. They have the round and oval wood tray. And then we've also got some of these glass jars with the palm leaves in them. And there's the amber, white, and gray. They also have these ceramic vases with the stripes that go up or the polka dots. There's a bunch of different colors. Also the wall hooks with the tin flowers. And these are just a tin flower with a little bit of gold accent on the end. And these do not have the hook. They have them in a couple different colors. Now these ones here are a little bit larger. We have it in yellow. They also have this pink with silver on the end, and then white. And I also found the ceramic chickens in the white and the black. Over in the office supplies and library and teaching tree section. So first I found a box of these planners. It's a weekly planner on a cardboard board with a hole in the top so you can hang them. It does say 2024, but none of the dates are filled in. You fill these out yourself. It has 3 list pads there. The important reminder, pay attention. There's the goals for the week and a to-do list. So if you see these, don't pass them up and be intimidated by the date simply because you fill them out yourself. So they're definitely reusable this year. They had a couple other styles last year. This is the only one I've seen so far this year. There's the Crayola Project poster board in the neon colors and the ink incorporated eco-friendly highlighters. It says bright fluorescent colors. There's pink and purple and the mint green and light orange. We've got these gold shaped paper clips with the star. I thought those are really cute. There's also a heart shape. And then we have the ovals with the hearts inside, and you get about 8 per card. We have some new book bins with this year's designs. There's the cheetah print with the purple, the rainbow stripes, and the white. You can also get these carry bins in the same designs as you can see here. So these are those little caddies. Now this one here has the dinosaurs, and they also have a pink one with rainbows, clouds, and sunshines. So every design, you see these 4 different designs you can get in like notebooks. They have pencil cups, the book bins. They even have those little metal tins for holding pencils. There's folders, notebooks, some file folders, pretty much you name it. I think there's even like little post-it notes. I know there's erasers that you can get in these designs. So you can get the whole matching design for all the different school supplies for your little one if you like, or mix and match. But these are really pretty. I really enjoy the cheetah print with the rainbow. I thought that one was really pretty with the purple lid. And these little tins, they're nice. You can use them for lots of other things, like in your purse to hold change. You can hold lipstick, lip gloss, your keys. There's a bunch of different things you could use these little tins for. Even in your lunchbox, you could put utensils in it. Over in the houseware storage, home maintenance, and organization, this week I found the large glass jars to go with the small ones that I showed you last week. So these have been restocked. They're the same price for both sizes. So you can find the large ones. It's really a great buy. We've also got the 2-pack of the mini candy jars with the lids. These again are just $1.25 for the 2-pack. These are great for storing lots of different beads and things for craft items. We have the laundry detergent sheets. You get 15 sheets, 1 load per sheet. So it's like a full cup of laundry detergent. There is the bathroom cleaner concentrated pods and the glass cleaner pods. They sell the bottles as well that are empty, so you can refill them. And then we've got the toilet cleaning gel, all restocked also. Over in the kitchen and pantry, we have these glass ceramic magnets with the kitchen conversions. You have one that looks like a mason jar, and then the round one, and the cutting board. We've also got the square one here. It says kitchen conversion chart with the jars and the measuring cups. And then we have some decorative ones like Be Grateful. There's Bless This Home with these pretty flowers. And the black and white. This one says Not Today, Satan. Then we've got some woven placemats. They've got the gray and black. And then there's the tan with gray and the green, brown, and cream. I also found more of these reusable veggie bags that they had out last year. You get 4 bags. They're 4 different sizes. 5 bags. And I absolutely love these. Then we've got these Feastable snack bars. I believe there's like a code on them and you can scan it. I don't know if you can win things with them. I know they're very popular, but they do have those out at the Dollar Tree as well. And then there's the Airhead snow cone flavors and cherry and blue raspberry. For pet care, not a whole lot new, but they did have the Dingo dental sticks for dogs. And you can see they're kind of like a green color. It's to help clean their teeth. You get 10 sticks and it's made with real chicken. We've also got the pet puzzles. You can hide treats, kind of slow them down, give them a little game to play while they find their treat. Over in the seasonal items, we have some of the beaded berry garland restock. They have the green and white, the dark burgundy with orange, and then we've got the solid orange or the solid burgundy. And that is like on that wired, it kind of looks like a vine. We also have some berries that are orange and yellow. Orange and red. We've got some flowers. These are the large mums and the tree toppers. There's a bat. They have a black cat and the witch on a broom. I think they're putting out some overstock from last year. I only found these at one store so far. And I do remember some of these items from last year. The flowers, I think all the stores are starting to put them out. Like you see the Halloween flowers here. I've seen these at pretty much every store I've gone to. But some of those different items like the berries and stuff, I'm not sure if everybody's getting them yet or if they're just slowly trickling them out, or if they're items that were overstocked from last year that they've had or held on to that they're able to put out to fill in some of this space now that the 4th of July is over. There's some ribbon and even had some of these glass jars with the gold leaf attached at the top. And I do remember seeing these last year, and I'm glad they brought them back because I do like them. But if these are an overstocked item, it's not a bad thing that they came back because they're really pretty. They also had the foam mushrooms in the 3-pack. They had these out last year, but I'm noticing this year that some of the tags for fall is different, and these are definitely the packaging from last year. We've got the tapier candles in the fall colors that they had out last year. We've got the large pumpkin wreath form, and they just restocked the garden fence in the white. If you guys like those, they're quite large and they snap together. For the toys, games, entertainment, we've got some squishies. There's the large squishies that look like a piece of watermelon. There's an avocado and this cute little cactus and a planter. And there is a large piece of cherry pie. We've also got some Barbie accessories. These are always very popular. This pack has different sunglasses, headbands. There's a belt, a couple necklaces. There's a bracelet, some cowgirl boots, and a duffel bag. And you can see the necklace and some of the bracelets. This pack here has a camera, a different purse, some slides. There's headphones, sunblock, a travel pillow, a sun visor. There's even a little mask there. And then the Dollar Tree Plus items, we have this $3 pack of socks. You get 2 pair. They go up almost to the knee. There's the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So there's the front and the back. There's 2 pair there. We have the 2-pack of the Looney Tunes and then the Simpsons. And then this pack here, you get, I believe it's 5 pairs of socks for $5. They have Barbie. There's also SpongeBob SquarePants. They have the Looney Tunes. There's all the different characters like Sylvester, Tweety Bird, Bugs Bunny. Also Betty Boop. You can see how many pairs you get and all the different designs. So they all are like this. Lots of different designs. There's Scooby-Doo. And then we have Toy Box, the ice cream play set. I love this one. It has the little sprinkles and everything over in the jar. I think it's so cute for imaginative play for little ones. We've got the grilling play set, which is so cute. You can grill hamburgers and hot dogs and then build it together with all the pieces. They even have the pizza play set restocked, and you get the pizza pan, the pretend cutting wheels. You can cut it apart. Some large stuffies. We have the plush toys that look like a monkey, this adorable flamingo, and a giraffe. Those are $5 each. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you all enjoyed the 4th of July yesterday if you celebrate. This video is a little late because I got to the store late due to the holiday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you'll check out some of our other videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos that we post. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time.